Okay, class, let's come to our written work.
Okay, class. Before starting our written work, we read these flashcards and letters. Capital A, small a apple. Capital B, small b says butterfly. Capital C, small c says car. Capital D, small d says duck. And capital E, small e says elephant. Capital F, small f says flower. Capital G, small g says grapes. Capital H, small h says house. Capital I, small I says ice cream. Capital J, small j says jug. Capital K, small k says kite. Capital L, small l says lion. Capital M, small m says monkey. Capital N, small n says nest. Capital O, small o says orange. Capital P, small p says parrot. Okay, class, let's restart our work. First letter will be A. Capital A, slanty line, one slanty line, and make a straight line. It's capital A. Make a curve, straight line, and make a small hood. Capital A, small a, straight line, and make a curve, and make a curve again. B, capital B, and straight line, and lower curve. It's small b, capital B, small b. C. What our next letter is? C. Make a curve, make a small curve between two lines. It's capital C, small c. Make a straight line and we make a curve. Capital D. Make a straight line, make a hood and curve. Small d, capital D, small d. A, B, C, D. What like next letter is? E. Straight line and other straight line and other straight line and another straight line. Make three straight lines. It becomes capital E. Like C, we write here make a curve and make one I. Capital E, small e. Now we make here F, capital F, straight line, another straight line, and other straight line. Okay, it's capital F and straight line and make a hand, little hand, and make straight line, small f, capital F, small f. Like C, we go upper line and make a straight line and come down. It's G, capital G. Straight line, lower three lines, make a hood. G, capital G, small g. Straight line and another straight line and other straight line. Three straight line we may write here letter H. Straight line and make a curve. Capital H, small h. Straight line and other straight line, another straight line. Capital I and straight line. Make a hood. Capital I, small I. Okay, now we write letter J. Straight line, make a curve, little bit curve, and another straight line. It's capital J. And after what comes after capital J? Small j. Yes. Straight line, make a curve, and write here one dot. Capital J, small j. Straight line. Okay, class. Look here. Another point in the mat. We mark another slanty line. And here are slanty line, capital K and small k, straight line. Like capital K, we make a slanty line and slanty line again. Capital K, small k. Okay, straight line and straight line. It's capital L, straight line and make a hoot. Small l. Now we write here M. Okay, M, straight line. We make here another straight line. Okay, right here one dot. Now we match it from this dot, slanty line and another slanty line. It's capital M. Okay, curve, make a curve and hood. It's capital M, small m. Straight line, sorry, and we match it. One slanty line, capital N, straight line and make a curve. It's small n. O, capital O, make a circle and make a small circle like it's small o, capital O, small o, straight line, and in upper two lines we make a curve. Okay, straight line, and in the mid two lines we make a curve, capital P, small p. Okay, class, revise it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Now we complete our work.